I'm Denise McAuley, and these are my art pieces that I submitted to the RUA, and they've won the Irish News Award. These pieces initially began back in 2024. I was studying Belfast Met, the product design course in ceramics. Well, I feel very overwhelmed, to be honest. I'm absolutely flabbergasted and a bit speechless, a bit overwhelmed today. But it's lovely to see them in the gallery, and I think they fit here. So yeah, I'm very pleased.
Hi, I'm Richard Wakely. I'm the Artistic Director of the Belfast International Arts Festival and the guest adjudicator for this year's, the 144th annual exhibition of the Royal Ulster Academy. I was absolutely delighted to choose this piece. It's a mixed media piece, so it combines different materials. There's glassware, there's clay, there's porcelain. It's a very contemporary piece that speaks to modern life, the ailments, the issues around modern life, and very wittily and in a very intelligent way, perhaps offers its own solutions.